Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ETFSwap token. Ticker symbol is ETFS. Now this token is live for pre-sale on their webpage. They're currently in stage 1. This is a brand new pre-sale here. It's one of those ICOs that they just, you purchase it on their webpage. They have how to buy on their webpage, all sorts of information on here. But a lot of people out there, they have conflicting thoughts and opinions about these types of pre-sales. Some people, say they're scams. Some people don't. Some people are confused in the middle. So lately I've been talking a lot about these new ICOs where I try to find an audit on here, a team docs, go over the information and see if we could find any potential like red flags, any scam risks, any things like that that are concerning that you should be aware about. So we're going to go over all that in just 1 second. And before we do that though, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their Twitter is at ETFSwap. I'm going to put that on the screen right here. And they have a Telegram, which is at ETFSwap, Discord, Instagram. They have a full white paper. It says ETFSwap is a decentralized trading platform which enables you to swap crypto with listed ETFs. Also stake your tokens in our protocol and start earning an income. Invest in our ETFs token pre-sale and take advantage of the discounted price and be a part of the future of crypto ETF growth. So they've been in tons of different news articles, and that's where I spotted this in the first place. And, they have a ton of frequently asked questions like, when will I get my tokens? It says, at the end of the pre-sale, we will airdrop it to the receiving wallets that you have provided us. Have you completed an audit? And that looks like they were going to make that a frequently asked questions, but for some reason that is not a frequently asked question and is part of an answer. So somebody screwed up on the web page there where they're talking about have you completed an audit? They don't answer that. So I was looking at their web page and I could not find an audit anywhere listed on their web page, but I did check their white paper and they do mention something about that on the white paper. We'll get to that in a second. It says, will I pay any tax for buying and selling? It says 1% buy tax, which will be burnt, 5% sell tax, which will be added to the reward pool. Do you have an anti-dump plan for the tokens? Any unsold tokens will be burnt. In addition, all team tokens will be unlocked after 18 months and the liquidity pool will be locked. So, do they have proof of that? I don't know. It's hard to say. I haven't seen it yet. They if they have proof, they should always link it, right? Like if they're doing something, planning something, if they did something, they should always link what they did. A lot of pages will link like their transactions, things like that, to show you like, oh, this is locked, this is the wallet for this is that. A lot of tokens will have links, so people can verify that. I haven't seen many links so far on here. So it says, is ETFSwap regulated? It says we've currently applied for a license and should be approved by the end of Q2 2024. Just keep that in mind right there. How can I see your community? Please visit our link tree. What returns can I expect? Obviously, don't expect returns on anything. And you'd be lucky if you get returns. And then what revenue do you expect? Anyway, so that's kind of nonsense. And their partners, here's some listing sites like where I saw news articles. Basically, their partners are Bloomberg, News, BTC, Cointelegraph, Be in Crypto, Bitcoinist, and AMB Crypto. So that's where they're listing articles for this pre-sale. They show you a big interface, like what it looks like on the mobile and on your PC or a tablet, what the interface of their ETF swap is going to look like. They say there's a total supply of 1 billion tokens. How it's split up: 40% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 4% community rewards, 3% partners and advisors, 5% cashback reserve, 6% market making and incentives for KOLs, 6% team, 12% liquidity and listing reserves, and 24% ecosystem. They have a roadmap. Starts with website launch, obtaining the necessary licenses, and then it says smart contract audit. So it says that they have that in phase 1. Then it says platform launch, a beta mode, community and marketing development, and then stage 2, launch a partnerships program, increase marketing, launch staking dApp, community rewards, team formation, launch ETFSwap platform, phase 3, complete pre-sale, token launch on Uniswap, launch staking dApp, coin market cap listings, early token releases, competitions, and add KOL. So anyways, so they go over, more about what the platform is. We're not going to go over everything because there's lots of words here, but basically it says the benefits of using the token: trading discounts, passive income, automatic rewards. They spelled automatic wrong. Lower fees, voting rights, and early access. So why would you use ETFSwap? It says ease of trading, no KYC, low cost, flexibility, extra income. There's going to be staking, swapping, perpetual futures and options, crypto ETFs for spot and future, leveraged ETFs, commodity ETFs, and fixed income ETFs. There's a little video on the page of who knows who this guy is, some guy in a suit here talking about ETFSwap. I don't know if that's the dev or a hired actor or what, but there's a little video on there. And their network, they list a bunch of partners like Arbitrum, ARK Invest, Ethereum, Grayscale, Van Eck, you name it. So it says connect your wallet or join now. You can log in or sign up. They have a how to buy button. Looks like they're in phase 1. They've currently raised over $142,000. It says they're 10.2% sold in stage 1 here, and they still have a bunch of remaining tokens to go. 22 days basically until the next stage comes along, so it's still very early. But at the top of their page, white paper, frequently asked questions, roadmap, staking, tokenomics, why, features, home, all that type of stuff. So if we skip over, this is the important part here. If we go over to their Gitbook, white paper, you can find it on their webpage, or you could just go to etfswap.gitbook.io/white paper. They have introduction, market overview, key challenges, model proposal, key offerings, key solutions, ecosystem drivers, token information, staking, revenue streaming, how to buy, roadmap, tokenomics, staking overview, revenue vesting summary, all their links to the web pages and whatever. And then they have one section where it says audit. And as you noticed, as I went through there, it said nothing about the team. It says, remember, no ETFSwap team members will ever reach out to you first. Please contact us if you have any questions or concerns. And so then they have a contact button, and that just takes you to their Telegram. So no team doxing that I could see. I don't know who this guy is in the video. Could be AI for all I know. I have no idea. Even if they say they're doxing their team, like they should have a KYC, which is they dox to it themselves to an auditing company, and then they make sure who they are with IDs and everything like that. Because you could always just post pictures of whoever, right? You just make up an AI character and post it and say, this is my team. I'm not saying they're going to do that. I'm just saying other places, other tokens have done things like that in the past. And so, yeah, so I clicked on where it says audit, and guess what? What does it say? will be updated very soon, and it's spelled wrong. It says will be update very soon. So the no audit, no team doxing, no KYC, basically no security whatsoever. All it has is this guy in the video who I have no idea who it doesn't say who the guy is. And that is it. So if you're going to, think about getting this token, definitely take it with a grain of salt. There's a little chat box. It says, "We're online. How may I help you today?" Probably that's a bot, I would assume. Yeah, I mean, no security at all on this pre-sale. So if you're thinking about getting it, take it with 10,000 grains of salt, and hopefully they do get an audit or something soon. But if not, very high risk, I would say. I'm not saying it's a scam. I'm not saying it's not a scam. But in my opinion, I would say the security on this token is very high risk. Now, I'm not a financial advisor either, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.